أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful. Blessed is the one in whose hands rests all authority, and he is most capable of everything.
الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور.
He is the one who created death and life in order to test which of you is best in deeds. And he is the Almighty, all-forgiving.
الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور.
He is the one who created 7 heavens, one above the other. You will never see any imperfection in the creation of the most compassionate. So look again. Do you see any flaws?
ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير.
Then look again and again. Your sight will return frustrated and weary.
ولقد زينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير.
And indeed, we adorned the lowest heaven with stars like lamps and made them as missiles for stoning eavesdropping devils, for whom we have also prepared the torment of the blaze.
وَلِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِرَبِّهِمْ عَذَابُ جَهَنَّمَ وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ.
Those who disbelieve in their Lord will suffer the punishment of hell. What an evil destination!
إِذَا أُلْقُوا فِيهَا سَمِعُوا لَهَا شَهِيقًا وَهِيَ تَفُورُ.
When they are tossed into it, they will hear its roaring as it boils over.
تكاد تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير.
Almost bursting in fury. Every time a group is cast into it, its keepers will ask them, "Did a warner not come to you?"
قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير.
They will reply, "Yes, a warner did come to us, but we denied and said, Allah has revealed nothing. You are extremely astray."
وقالوا لو كنا نسمع أو نعقل ما كنا في أصحاب السعير.
And they will lament, "If only we had listened and reasoned, we would not be among the residents of the blaze."
فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير.
And so they will confess their sins, so away with the residents of the blaze.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
Indeed, those in awe of their Lord without seeing him will have forgiveness and a mighty reward.
وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
Whether you speak secretly or openly, he surely knows best what is hidden in the heart.
ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير.
How could he not know his own creation? For he alone is the most subtle, all aware.
والذي جعل لكم الأرض ذلولا فامشوا في مناكبها وكلوا من رزقه وإليه النشور.
He is the one who smoothed out the earth for you, so move about in its regions and eat from his provisions, and to him is the resurrection of all.
أأمنتم من في السماء أن يخسف بكم الأرض فإذا هي تمور.
Do you feel secure that the one who is in heaven will not cause the earth to swallow you up as it quakes violently?
أم أمنتم من في السماء أن يرسل عليكم حاصبا فستعلمون كيف نذير.
Or do you feel secure that the one who is in heaven will not unleash upon you a storm of stones? Only then would you know how serious my warning was.
ولقد كذب الذين من قبلهم فكيف كان نكير.
And certainly those before them denied as well. Then how severe was my response.
أولم يروا إلى الطير فوقهم صافات ويقبض ما يمسكهن إلا الرحمن إنه بكل شيء بصير.
Have they not seen the birds above them, spreading and folding their wings? None holds them up except the most compassionate. Indeed, he is all-seeing of everything.
أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي هُوَ جُندٌ لَكُمْ يَنصُرُكُم مِّن دُونِ الرَّحْمَنِ إِنِ الْكَافِرُونَ إِلَّا فِي غُرُورٍ.
Also, which powerless force will come to your help instead of the most compassionate? Indeed, the disbelievers are only lost in delusion.
أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي يَرْزُقُكُمْ إِنْ أَمْسَكَ رِزْقَهُ بَل لَّجُّوا فِي عُتُوٍّ وَنُفُورٍ.
Or who is it that will provide for you if he withholds his provision? In fact, they persist in arrogance and aversion to the truth.
أَفَمَن يَمْشِي مُكِبًّا عَلَى وَجْهِهِ أَهْدَىٰ أَمَّن يمشي سويا على صراط مستقيم.
Who is rightly guided? The one who crawls face down, or the one who walks upright on the straight path?
قل هو الذي أنشأكم وجعل لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة قليلا ما تشكرون.
Say, O Prophet, he is the one who brought you into being and gave you hearing, sight, and intellect. Yet you hardly give any thanks.
قل هو الذي ذرأكم في الأرض وإليه تحشرون.
Also say, he is the one who has dispersed you all over the earth, and to him you will all be gathered.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
Still they ask the believers, when will this threat come to pass, if what you say is true?
قل إنما العلم عند الله وإنما أنا نذير مبين.
Say, O Prophet, that knowledge is with Allah alone, and I am only sent with a clear warning.
فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون.
Then when they see the torment drawing near, the faces of the disbelievers will become gloomy, and it will be said to them, "This is what you claimed would never come."
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم.
Say, O Prophet, consider this. Whether Allah causes me and those with me to die or shows us mercy, who will save the disbelievers from a painful punishment?
قل هو الرحمن آمنا به وعليه توكلنا فستعلمون من هو في ضلال مبين.
Say, He is the most compassionate. In Him alone we believe, and in Him alone we trust. You will soon know who is clearly astray.
قل أرأيتم إن أصبح ماؤكم غورا فمن يأتيكم بماء معين.
Say, consider this. If your water were to sink into the earth, then who else could bring you flowing water?